Hi, I'm Donna Meyer, and I am with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozark Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. And today we are at 33920 Highway RA. You're also going to be sitting on 3.76 acres. So you have your own piece of paradise here, right off of RA in Gravois Mills. Come with me, let's go look. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a finished crawl space and a huge shop.